This is a raised hardscape that we did in downtown Naperville. You can see the seat wall right here. It's also serving as a retaining wall. And the step up. We put about 12 inches of 3-inch aggregate underneath this patio. Especially along the foundation here with the new construction, it's real important to put that 3-inch aggregate there and compact it very good so you don't have any settling. And then we installed a fire pit with a gas hookup here. You can see the drain in the corner over here also. And everything is also pitched going towards the grass over there. We have the steps coming down off of the back door there. We regraded everything in the backyard. Installed some boxwood, some burning bush, some dwarf lilacs, and some hydrangeas. And then we also installed a little dog run back here so these little knuckleheads won't ruin the backyard. You can see all the new sod. Really turned out nice. It's a wonderful foundation underneath here.